The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 brought forward a slew of tax breaks, but did you know it also included provisions beneficial for tax-exempt organizations like yours? Now, if you're embarking on construction projects and prioritize energy efficiency, there's good news. The IRA can help reduce your project costs and even offer direct cash payouts for certain tax credits. Previously, some tax benefits were limited to commercial property owners and specific government entities. The IRA has changed the game, enabling all tax-exempt entities to allocate building tax deductions to qualified designers. Whether you're working with architects, engineers, or contractors, these qualified designers can now play a crucial role in incorporating sustainable materials into your project, potentially leading to significant upfront cost savings. The allocation process involves a detailed Sec. 179D study to determine your deduction amount. Following this, you'll sign an allocation letter, paving the way to negotiate better pricing for your energy-efficient construction project. But that's not all. The IRA's direct pay provision means your organization could receive cash payouts for clean energy tax credits, a game-changer for nonprofits looking to benefit from clean energy initiatives. From the investment tax credit to the commercial clean vehicle credit, explore how these incentives can support your mission while contributing to a greener future. Don't let these opportunities slip by. If you're considering a building project or looking to capitalize on clean energy tax credits, reach out for guidance. Together, we can make the most of the IRA benefits for your tax-exempt organization.